What do you think of the empanada? Her ears went up, you see that? Her ears went up, her tail's wagging. She likes the empanada. What's going on, my long-winged bald ducks? And today is honestly a sad day. We're taking our side-by-side and our quads up to the next town north of us. We got a buddy there who has a ranch, and we're gonna store them while we're gone from Mexico. Wiggle it out, wiggle it out. Trying to do the intro. We gotta go back to Minnesota. Why are we storing the ATVs? Why are we leaving? Oh, we kind of have to go back and work at some point in Minnesota. So in a couple days, we're going to be packing everything up, cleaning the place, getting it ready to rent, and hitting the road in the Dodge ProMaster. And even though it's a sad day that we're going to have to leave, San Bartolo is a really cool town. So we'll probably be grabbing empanadas. We're going to be doing some fun stuff, so stick around for that. I'm going to enjoy this smoothie right now. It's got blackberries, it's got apple cider vinegar, it's got cinnamon, it's got strawberries, it's got everything that's healthy for you. It's got cinnamon, I probably already said that. It's got oats, it's got yogurt. I'm going to sit back and enjoy this view for one of the last times of the foothills. Got a little pinch of the ocean down there. I'm going to miss it. Without further ado, let's get this episode started. Cheers. In preparation of being in the van with 3 animals, I'm gonna start brushing Tamal heavily every single day to get all this hair off of her so it doesn't end up in the van. Cheesy Ches Chorizo! Hey! Hey Tamal. The black pup right here got smoked by a car, but luckily she only broke her wrist, but she just kind of limps around on it. On the road again, side-by-sides and quads are and are not my friend, towing trailers around the road again. Hola vaca. As you can see, I only have 2 of the quads and Kelsey has the side-by-side. And right now I'm standing next to an arroyo, which is a dry riverbed that she's driving up to get to the next city with Tamal. So I'm gonna stay here for a little bit and I'm gonna wait for her because I can get there a lot faster than she can since she's taking the back roads, the scenic route. Right now I have her on the Apple tracker or whatever. I just saw her going back south and then stopping, and I'm really wondering if she had Tamal running behind her and then lost Tamal. She's all good now. You can see she's boogieing down the arroyo. Heck yeah. She'll run into me in about 5 or 10 minutes. Oh, I'm seeing some dust out there and it's moving. That's gotta be KB. Yep, there she is. She's cruising. She's cruising. Woo! Woo!
Girl, you having fun?
Look who we ran into. Oh, is she all wet? Check this place out. Besides the girl. Well, the girl too. Absolutely beautiful. I was gonna take this to go, but you cannot beat a view like that with some seating like this. Ooh, baby empanadas. Get the corner of the salsa and take a big bite. So good. Sit, girl. Uno más para tú. Tamal decided to come with me because I have AC in here. Alright, let's go on in. Vaca caca. Hey, buds. Hola, vaca. Oh, I love coming here. Tamal, you gonna back this trailer in? All right, after everything, we got them all tarped up and ready to go. They're gonna sit here for about 8 to 9 months while we work, and then we'll come back. They'll be all fixed up and ready to go. This dude's ranch is awesome. Hey, Sergeant Tibbs. I'm pretty hungry, so let's make some steak quesadillas. Sergeant Tibbs just joined the party. Let's give him a little steak. Lube it up. Steak in. Salt. Now in this perfect pan, we're gonna prep the dillers. Steak off. Get some of that juice from the pan. Started off with a little pinch of queso, a handful of steak up in here. A little bit of onion and cilantro and some chipotle salsa. Made this stuff in last episode. And a tiny bit more queso on top for good luck. And I'm dropping on a cold pan because I want everything to melt properly. Dip a little bit of the steak in that homemade salsa. Mmm, delicious. If you want to see the episode where I made some super good salsa, I'll link it right here. More food for Tamal. Ooh, ready to flip. And the most dangerous part, the flip. Okie dokie, folks, here we go. The steak quesadilla. Andrew, don't eat like an animal. That's so good. A lot of cheese. The only salt on the steak is so good on its own. Doesn't need anything else. And then you got the fire roasted salsa in there with the crispy, flaky taco shell, tortilla, whatever you want to call it. It is really sad that we're gonna have to leave, but that was a pretty dang good day. We ripped up the arroyo, or at least KB and Tamal did. We had some awesome empanadas in San Bartolo. We dropped off the ATVs. It was only $300 USD to store them there on his property for 9 months. That's nothing. And then we came back and we made some steak quesadillas. Oh, belly's feeling good. Appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, be happy, be healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.